Have you ever wondered how the food on your plate gets there? Let's take a fun and exciting journey together to discover how food travels from the farm to your table. It all starts at the farm, where farmers work hard every day to grow fruits, vegetables, grains, and take care of animals like cows, chickens, and goats. They use tractors to plow the land, water the plants, and make sure everything grows big and healthy. Fruits like apples grow on trees, while vegetables like carrots grow underground. Grains like wheat grow tall in golden fields, and when they're ready, they get harvested. Farmers collect the food and pack it carefully so it can travel to the next stop, factories or food processing centers. In these centers, machines and workers help clean, sort, and sometimes even cook the food to make it safe and tasty. For example, wheat is ground into flour to make bread, and milk from cows is turned into cheese or yogurt. Everything is done carefully to make sure the food stays fresh and healthy. Next, the food is packed into boxers, cans, or bottles. Then it goes on a big journey, sometimes by truck, train, or even boat to reach the grocery stores in your neighborhood. The workers at the store organize all the food on shelves so your family can find it easily. And guess what? Once your family buys the food, it finally arrives in your kitchen. That's when you or your parents cook delicious meals like spaghetti sandwiches or soup. Isn't it amazing how many people help bring food to your table? From farmers and factory workers to truck drivers and store clerks, it's a big team effort. So next time you enjoy your favorite snack or meal, remember all the stops it made before reaching you. Food doesn't just appear, it takes a whole journey.
Did you have fun? Let us know in the comments. And to keep the adventures coming, share the smiles and subscribe for more KidCo TV fun.